Egypt, I like what you're doing. I'm gonna come find out a little bit more about this Native Instruments Maschine. So again, it is another controller. I see you've got a laptop there. Now I know you're not mic'd up, you might just have to nod yes or no. So I'm taking it that your controller controls the sounds on your laptop. Correct, okay. So what if I gave you a couple minutes to just show us what you can really do with that? You okay with that? All right, let's just see where we can go emulating drums on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the man they call Egypt. All right, C-Sik, might as well bring you back into the mix. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the man they call Egypt. And of course, don't forget the one they call DJ C-Sik. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So as we build this band on stage, beat drop style, I'll turn your attention to the center screen and the gentleman behind it. He's actually also the man behind the beat drop music production.